Welcome to Lady Ho Choi Center South. Before we begin our tour, let us enlighten you all on the history of this institution. Did you know Lady Ho Choi Center has been in existence for 46 years? This institution was established by Sir Solomon Ho Choi's wife in 1963. She developed this institution to meet the needs of children who were severely mentally retarded and who were housed at St. Anne's Mental Hospital with adult patients in pitiful conditions. Today, there are currently 4 branches available, which has been serving children with intellectual disabilities in Trinidad and Tobago, under the kind patronage of the Corpus Christi Carmelite Sisters. However, our main focus on this movie is on the Lady Ho Choi Center South in Gasparillo. Now let us dive straight into this institution. Currently, we house 22 staff with 20 female and 2 male. 50% of our staff are specialized and trained, while the other 50% aren't. Rather, they have been working here from the beginning. Some of our staff started working from 20 years, while some started at the early age of 18. Our management structure starts with the sister in charge, Sister Faye, secondly, senior special education teacher, thirdly, administration, and then lastly, staff. In addition to this, we have 12 classes available with 12 to 14 students per class. In total, our student population is 156. Furthermore, in terms of our facilities available for our students, we have a playground for recreation, a computer lab, a music lab, kitchen, beauty culture, sewing, hairdressing, and lastly, agri-science. Here at Lady Ho Choi, we accommodate all students with exceptionalities, except the visually impaired, due to the lack of trained teachers to assist them.
Students' disabilities include autism spectrum disorder, Down syndrome, and cerebral palsy. Each disability ranges from mild to severe.
Our school is definitely equipped with all required learning resources like chalkboards, computers, radios, and tablets. Honestly, it is difficult working with students with exceptionalities, but you must love what you do. You must be patient. They ask questions frequently and tend to forget really easily. You must be able to explain things step by step. While the positive attributes of this school greatly outweigh the negative, this simply means that there is room for improvement. Some of the challenges would include: the school at present is understaffed. There is a lack of trained teaching staff. There is a lack of individual attention. Given the size, the school is overpopulated and the school needs to be upgraded. That is, structural repair is needed.
The solution to this issue starts at UTT. It is evident from the class of 2016 that only a small percentage of students have a desire to specialize in the field of special education. Therefore, we have a shortage of trained special needs educators in the system.
We are strict with no corporal punishment to our students. However, in the case of punishment, we have the child stand in a corner for 5 minutes, but we must also keep our eyes on them at all times to ensure that they do not harm themselves in any way. Or we can withdraw an activity that the student enjoys, example, recess or lunch. We don't take away their snacks or food at any time because they need it and half the population is already sick. As for extracurricular activities, we are very diverse in sports. We play football, netball, volleyball, hockey, and cricket. We also have swimming classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And during the carnival season, we have our students participating in playing masks and wearing costumes. This is usually done 2 Fridays before carnival. Our method of teaching is definitely student-centered. We cater to their learning style the way they can remember. We teach all subjects.
Thank you.